Beauty hacks, multitasking products. I just call it saving money. So here are some of the best beauty hacks I had never heard of. You probably haven't either. First up, how annoying is that flaky or clumpy mascara? We've all had it. Don't throw it away, though. I hear you, Travis. Try this, though. Put a few drops of saline eye solution here in the mascara, and then it will actually lighten it up with it. And you can soak the tube in some warm water, this tube here, in warm water, and then the mascara will thin out and make it easier to apply. Up next, make your perfume or cologne last a little longer. We all like this one. Did you know that Vaseline can help with that? Before spraying your fragrance, apply a little Vaseline on your pulse points. Vaseline actually helps to hold the fragrance a little longer in your skin. That's a cool one. And ever thought about lip balm for frizzy hair? I don't have to tell you about the Houston humidity and what it does to your hair, you know. So next time your hair is kind of frizzing out of control, rub a little lip balm in the center of your hands or maybe on the palm of your, or the tips of your fingers, and then just smooth your hair out. It works. And here is one of my favorites because honestly, as I told you, my feet haven't been the same since I had the baby. It went up a size. So do you have a pair of shoes that are too tight? Grab a hair dryer, a pair of thick socks, and then just blast the shoes while you're wearing them. It should be an instant shoe stretch. And really, I tested that out. I was like, yeah, whatever. It worked for me. All right. And have you heard of this one? This is a bizarre one. We're talking about a facial trend. We're talking about the Pepto Bismol facial. Hopefully I can get to it here. So yes, we're talking about the Pepto Bismol that your mom gave you as a kid. I had Tom and Travis test it out.
Ooh, that has a refreshing, cool touch.
All right, so Pepto Bismol has an acid similar to salicylic acid. It's a major ingredient in many acne medicines, and I put a thin layer of that on Tom and Travis, and we're supposed to wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah. How are you guys feeling?
Good.
You want a massage now?
That's great. Catch up on some reading while it dries.
Great, right there. Hey, that's not a massage.
Oh, wow. Okay, great.
A pat on the back.
Okay?
Ooh, that actually feels really good. I'll give you 30 minutes to stop that.
Right, exactly.
Okay, turn back around. All right. So, people who swear by the Pepto Bismol facial say it's great for oily skin. What did you guys think?
I feel 20 years, 20 days younger. Something like
6
that.
hours.
6 hours younger.
Yeah.
But look, actually, it does feel like it's tightening your skin a little bit, doesn't it?
You know what was nice is when you unbound us and removed the socks from our mouth right before you smeared the Pepto on us.
Right.
They volunteered.
We did not consent to that.
They were like coming to my desk and like, oh, can you put this Pepto Bismol on my face? I'm like, guys, hold on. You know, it's a long kind of ordeal.
Totally making
But
it.
you look great.
Well, I'm glad you wore your Pepto pink tie today, Tom. That
Both
was
of y'all
perfect.
did.
Well, you know, we're kind of
was
fans
good, though.
now.
It was good.
Yeah.
Don't listen to them. It was really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know what you're going to do this weekend, right?
I've got no stomach problems at all.
Okay. There's going to be a run on the Pepto